Okay, there's a lot of things going on here. Let me talk you through it, and I'm really excited about this. So, there's a football team called LatinaCalcio who play in the lower leagues in Italy, and they teamed up with a kit designer called Ezeta, and they came out with a new design. And as you can see, it's based around a particular episode in Greek myth. So you've probably worked this one out. If you haven't, this is Circe turning the men of Odysseus into swine. And that's relative to this football team, because you might think, what's the link here? Well, Latina is based in an area where Circe apparently, or one of the locations of Circe's island, was meant to be. That's Mount Circe, which apparently back in the day was an island. Now it actually forms part of the mainland. But yeah, so there's the link. There's a mythical link between the location of the football team and Circe. So they decided to turn it into a shirt. And it's pretty damn cool, gotta say it. So they've got two kits. You can see the home in the blue and the away is the white kit with the sash. Let's have a look at both of them a bit closer up. As you can see, the designs, those patterns in the shirt are, well, you've seen them on Greek vases. They're quite familiar, and I've got to say, it looks pretty cool. And the away shirt is, well, let's see it. This is the away shirt, and you can see a bit more detail on that sash. It's got those designs on it, but also on the main shirt as well. And on that badge there, what the badge symbolises, or what seems to be on the badge, is a winged lion, which explains this. This is a great example of just really committing to a creative idea. Now, I don't remember there being lions with wings on Circe's Island. I'm pretty sure there were lions on Circe's Island. In fact, I'm relatively confident with that. But the winged lion thing, that's probably to do with the badge, because the badge of the club is a winged lion. But all I'm trying to work out is, A, whether or not I'm too old to buy a football kit, and if I'm not, which one, the away kit or the home kit? I'll have to think that one through.